Hello, welcome to CComp channel. This video is about how to install Ubuntu Server on your computer. Firstly, remember to use an empty hard disk or SSD. It is because the disk will be formatted during the installation process. Next, plug in the bootable USB flash drive with Ubuntu Server. If you would like to know how to create a bootable Ubuntu Server USB flash drive, the link is at the description below. In this project, we choose UEFI generic flash disk. Install Ubuntu Server. Continue without updating. Delete the my dot. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Create a name for your server. This is important. The server name and the password are very important. Please remember, install the OpenSSH server. Please remove your USB flash drive. After you have removed it, please plug in the network cable. Press Enter key on your keyboard. Wait for your computer to reboot. Type in the server name and password to log in. Remember the IP address for this computer. The installation process has finished. If you would like to shut down the server, please make sure no one is connecting to your server. Then, type shutdown now. Your server is shutting down. Thanks for watching.